What type of documents are out there these days? Powers of attorney, trusts, healthcare directives. There are so many different documents that have to be taken care of. And power of attorney, that's big. Remember, there's a couple of different types of power of attorneys. There's the medical power of attorney. There's the financial. It's durable. There's so many aspects to it. That's why when you're speaking with whoever the subject may be, you want to make sure you know exactly what it is. But granting permission on your behalf, that's the general premise of a power of attorney. That is the one thing that notaries do not do, but that is the general premise of a power of attorney. You're giving permission for someone to act on your behalf if you are not able to make proper decisions, whether it be medically, financially. Those are the things that need to be done and addressed in a power of attorney. From a trust standpoint, and I could go so deep into trust, but again, this is not about the law. I'm just giving an example or two of some of the documents that I do end up signing. And a trust, it really is a scenario where you can try to avoid probate court. You can keep everything in-house, so to speak. You're designating people who are going to take over some of the assets. And a trust obviously has to have funds in it. Doesn't necessarily have to have financial funds, but it has to have an asset, usually a home or an automobile. And yes, a lot of times there are finances involved, but this way it passes to one person to another without a lot of outside interference. That's the general premise of a trust. So I certainly wanted to mention what some of the documents are, and also a healthcare directive. That's very, very important. Who ultimately has the last decision if you're incapacitated? Is it your brother? Is it your sister? Is it your son or daughter? Is it your parents? Those are decisions that have to be made, and more so, those are decisions that have to be documented properly.